This week for my farm stand, I did regular sourdough and cheddar jalapeno. I saved back a cheddar jalapeno for us, so I'm gonna cut into it and see what it looks like on the inside. I don't think this one has as much cheese as the others do, just because I was running out and I didn't feel like cutting up more. Yeah, this one definitely doesn't have as much, but it is gorgeous. Oh, there's some more cheese.